Assalamualaikum students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well and enjoying Ramadan month. So here we are going to start subject computer, and before starting subject computer I would like to welcome you all in a class 4. I hope you enjoy your computer subject with this video and you learned most important and very knowledgeable things with this chapter. Okay, so here is a chapter number 1, input and output devices. This chapter is from IT Beans. You all have IT Beans textbook of computer subject at your house, at your home. Okay, and I take this chapter from that book only. Okay everyone, so here is a part 1 video of chapter number 1, input and output devices. Okay everyone, so let's begin with today's lesson. Okay, input and output devices. On this screen you can see the computer system. Computer system have many input devices and output devices attached with it. जैसे कि input devices है keyboard, mouse, this all are called input devices, and output devices is like monitor, printer. Okay, this all are called output devices, and CPU is called processing devices. ठीक है, input devices में हम किसको काउंट करेंगे? कीबोर्ड और माउस को. एंड आउटपुट डिवाइसेस में किसको काउंट करेंगे? मॉनिटर एंड प्रिंटर को. एंड सीपीयू इज कॉल्ड प्रोसेसिंग डिवाइस. क्लियर एवरीवन? सो लेट्स बिगिन दिस चैप्टर. Okay, first of all, what is a computer system? So a computer system is a machine that works on electricity. आप सबको पता है that computer system without electricity will not work. Only and only tablet computer and laptop computer can work without electricity. Why? Because they all are battery operated. But in the end, they all are also called electric devices only. Why? Because we have to charge it, and for charging it we have to give electricity power to them also. So they are all also electric device. So students, computer system is a machine. Computer is a machine and that work on electricity. Each and every machine works on electricity. You know everyone, right? Now next thing, it can be compared to a magic box. Why we compared it to a magic box? Because they can do a variety of jobs. Means that on a computer you can type anything, you can draw anything, you can make beautiful document on it, you can calculate on it, you can watch video, you can listen music, you can watch photos and everything. That's why computer can be compared to a magic box. Okay, because that can do a variety of jobs. Okay everyone, now computer are not confined to office only. Do you think like this that computer can be used in a office only? क्या आपको लगता है कि कंप्यूटर सिर्फ ऑफिस में ही यूज हो सकता है? No, computer can be used everywhere around us. You can see each and every place nowadays computer. Okay, nowadays you can see computer at each and every place, even in shops, in schools, in hospitals, in banks, in airports, in railway station, then in your house, right? Then everywhere, in a banks. Okay, everywhere you can see, in a malls, in a small shop. Okay, everywhere you can see computers. So they can be seen everywhere around us. Clear everyone? Now they work very fast and give 100% accurate result. result. It means what? That man can make a mistake, but computer cannot make a mistake. It give you 100% accurate result, means a correct result. Computer accurate रिजल्ट मीन्स एकदम करेक्ट रिजल्ट देता है, उसमें कोई मिस्टेक नहीं होती है. मिस्टेक्स कैन बी डन बाय मैन, ह्यूमन बींग्स. ओके, ह्यूमन बींग से मिस्टेक्स होती है बट कंप्यूटर से नहीं. एंड दे वर्क वेरी फास्ट. ओके, एंड गिव 100% accurate result. Clear everyone? Now the definition. What is a computer system? So a computer system is an electronic device. जैसे अभी मैंने लास्ट में बोला that computer can work on electricity. So that's why what is the definition of computer system? So a computer system is an electronic device that can accept data and instruction. मतलब क्या कि कंप्यूटर में आप क्या इनपुट कर सकते हो? डेटा एंड इंस्ट्रक्शन. क्लियर एवरीवन? सो कैन यू प्लीज रिपीट द डेफिनेशन नाउ? अ कंप्यूटर is an electronic device that accepts data and instruction. If you enter data and instruction into computer, it accepts it and it is electronic device. और वो कैसे डिवाइस है? इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइस है. ठीक है एवरीवन? Now next definition. Given by the user, processes them accordingly and give meaningful result. What is the whole definition then? What is the whole definition? That computer is an electronic machine. It accepts data and instruction which is given by the user. क्योंकि कंप्यूटर एक मशीन है, वो अपने आप काम नहीं करता है. डेटा और इंस्ट्रक्शन कौन देता है कंप्यूटर को? यूज़र. ओके, सो यूज़र के थ्रू दी हुई डेटा एंड इंस्ट्रक्शन कंप्यूटर एक्सेप्ट करता है. प्रोसेस देम, और उसके पे क्या होती है? प्रोसेस होती है एंड गिव्स मीनिंगफुल रिजल्ट. और फिर जो आपकी इनपुट है उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपको क्या मिलता है? रिजल्ट. क्लियर एवरीवन? सो लेट्स रिपीट अगेन द डेफिनेशन ऑफ कंप्यूटर सिस्टम. दैट कंप्यूटर इज एन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइस. इट कैन एक्सेप्ट डेटा and instruction given by the user, process them accordingly and gives meaningful result. कंप्यूटर एक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मशीन है जो यूज़र के थ्रू दिया हुआ डेटा और इंस्ट्रक्शन को क्या करता है? एक्सेप्ट करता है. देन प्रोसेसेस दैम, उसके ऊपर क्या करता है? प्रोसेस होती है. कहाँ पे? इन अ CPU. एंड accordingly it gives meaningful result, means that it give you output, meaningful output give to you, और उसके according meaningful output means result आपको मिलता है. Clear everyone? Now let's move. A computer system perform 3 basic functions: input, process, output. Which 3 basic function computer system can perform? Input, processing, output. Means it's take input from user, then processing on it and then giving you output. Clear everyone? So सबसे पहले आप कंप्यूटर के पास कंप्यूटर को इनपुट देते हो, कंप्यूटर उस पर क्या करता है? प्रोसेसिंग करता है एंड देन इट गिव्स यू आउटपुट, मीन्स आपको उसके अकॉर्डिंग आउटपुट मीन्स रिजल्ट मिलता है. सो व्हाट इज द 3 बेसिक फंक्शन ऑफ कंप्यूटर सिस्टम? इनपुट, प्रोसेसिंग, आउटपुट, जिसको शॉर्टकट में हम बोलेंगे IPO. क्लियर एवरीवन? इनपुट, प्रोसेसिंग, output. This is the 3 basic function of computer system. Clear? Now here I'm going to stop this video. Next time, in the next video of this chapter, next part, I will come with a new topic, interesting topic for your best learning. Okay everyone? Till then, I hope you stay safe and stay healthy. Allah Hafiz everyone.